Constitution guarantees marriage equality.
As the gantry is pulled back.
I am a Negro, and I'm very
But
proud
I
of it.
remember the feeling that it left.
I live well enough away from any sort of floodwaters so I was fine. But when the flooding started to happen, I kept close watch on the news and online to see where the waters would be rising, because a lot of my friends live in the area, and also my school is here too. So as soon as got to the point where I started getting pictures of the water creeping into the parking lot here at school, I got my camera, I came down, started taking pictures, started flying overhead, and then within a day, the roads were shut down, the water was really deep, and people were stranded. But I still managed to get out here and capture it all on film. That was a neat experience to be able to get a kayak and kayak over the parking lot and go through the goalposts on the football field and just be in places that you could never really be before. I was thinking about what it will look like after. I mean, I saw what it looked like now, and it was, especially when I got out into the parking lot area, it was barren. I mean, it was a lake out there and cold water, mucky water, and I could just tell that when it would all go down, there'd be a lot of mess to clean up.